Hi, Ivan. I'm so glad to have you here. But first, can you introduce a little bit yourself, your company, and we'll talk obviously about what matters to you in terms of automation orchestration today in OTP Bank.
Absolutely. Thank you. It's nice to be here. I'm Ivan Simicevic, coming from the OTP Bank in Croatia. I'm a board member responsible for digital and operations division. Why the digital and operation matters? Because whatever we operate, we want it to be digital in the future. Speaking a bit about our bank, it is a fourth player on the market, and it's actually grown from mergers and the acquisitions we did on the market. And currently we are really running for new and cool solutions. And I would say that the current pressure, like everywhere, is about automation. It's about increasing efficiency. So from that perspective, whatever helps us in achieving our goal, I think it is a really a good thing to explore and see how we can utilize those benefits. And I believe that's why we are here with you today.
Absolutely. And I think you've been, in the past years, investing a lot in robotic process automation technologies, for example. But you're seeing also needs to have a more global approach that helps maybe with some orchestration to get to overcome some new challenges. Can you tell us about your maturity in that space and where you see yourself?
Let's say a few words about complexity first, because I think that the processes are really becoming more and more complex. And to actually deliver them and manage them in a way how we used to do it, I think it is not going to work on a long period. So from that perspective, we are absolutely going in that direction. Maturity-wise, as you said, we are already using robots for quite some time, and it helps in improving efficiency. But we need to actually step up in the game. And actually what we are missing currently is how to manage and orchestrate many parallel things that are happening in the same time. And from that perspective, we cannot simply rely that the humans can still do everything in a way it has been done before. As I said previously, we are also aiming for a high efficiency. And from that perspective, I think going to orchestrating solutions which are fast, which are secure and precise really helps in achieving our goals. Looking into future, I think from some standpoint of mid-term strategy, it is absolutely our goal to step up in this game.
Interesting. So as we've spent a couple of days here together in Maranello, how do you see some of the new capabilities that we brought to the market recently with the UNO, with the cloud native solution, AI and Gen AI capabilities? What's your view on what HCL software brings?
Well, I think first of all, what is important, you really manage to find a spot where we currently haven't seen so many good solutions. So from that perspective, and that is the main reason why we are here with you today, because we really believe you can bring good benefits on that front. From capability perspective and from actually being able to use solutions, I think it's important that you provide the support on so many fronts. Usually there are some banks that are a bit traditional and not so progressive in the technology development. And from what we hear from you today, I believe you can really give a proper support. One more thing which I think is crucial is the way how you manage to support your customers and how you manage to approach people. And I think on that front it is really important to develop trust. Because going into automation, reaching higher efficiency, people are usually a bit skeptic and scared that their jobs are going to be replaced. But I think then the highlight should be on really doing the job which has added value and gives a possibility for more creation. And I think if you do it right, which I believe you are really going in that direction, you can really bring the added value to the company.
Yeah, I think very nice input, Ivan. I think really the company is aligned on similar values. When you can align on similar values and when you can bring company objectives with the technology advancements, this is really a nice match that can brings really innovation, speed, and more efficiency, as you were saying, for your company. Thank you very much.
Thank you for having us.